How to offset the edges of 3D solids in Autocad. Solution. This feature is controlled by OffsetEdge command. You can offset the edges of solid and surface. It creates a closed 2D object which is offset at a specified distance from the edges of selected solid or surface. You can offset the edges by following options. 1. Through point. It creates the offset object that passes through the specified point. 2. Distance. It creates the offset object at a specified distance from the edges of the selected face. 3. Corner. Specifies the type of corners on the offset object, sharp or rounded. After offset you can create a new 3D solid by the help of extrude or press pull commands. See how it works. First we see the through point option. You can see we have created one 3D solid. Run OffsetEdge command. Click any point on the face of 3D solid. Now specify the point in drawing to create offset edge. You can see the polyline is created after the offset. Run press pull command and select the polyline. Click any point. You can see that the new 3D solid is created. Now we see the distance option. Run OffsetEdge command. Select the top face of solid. Select the distance option. Enter 10 as a value. Specify upper side of solid. You can see the polyline is created after the offset. Run extrude command. Select the polyline. Click any point to specify the height. You can see that the new 3D solid is created. Now we see the corner option. Run OffsetEdge command. Select the side face of solid. Select corner option. Select round corner option. Specify any point in drawing to create offset edge. You can see the polyline is created after the offset. Run again OffsetEdge command. Select the side face of solid. Now select sharp corner option. Now specify the point in drawing to create offset edge. You can see round and sharp polylines are created after offset. Run press pull command and select the polylines. Click any point. You can see that the new 3D solid is created. Now select another polyline. Click any point to create a new solid object. You can see round and sharp corner solids are created. Now we see on surface object. Run again OffsetEdge command. Select the face of surface. Click at any point to create an offset. You can see the polyline is created after the offset. Run Extrude command and select the mode as surface. Select polyline and specify the distance. You can see the new surface is created. Run again OffsetEdge command. Select the another face of surface. Select corner option and then round option. Run press pull command and select the polyline. Click any point to create a new 3D solid. So you can create a new solid and surface over the existing solid or surface by the help of this command. Thanks for watching.